what is your role at Kawneer?
I'm a product manager and I oversee our storefronts, entrances, and framing product offerings, and I've been here about 3 years.
And how did you get your start in the industry?
So I started out as a civil engineer. That was my educational background. Eventually took a real liking to working with customers, understanding their needs, sort of in some technical sales capacities, and transitioned that into product management a few years ago. Doing it ever since.
And when you're not at work, where can we find you?
So I just welcomed twins this year, so that's keeping me very busy at home. Me and my wife are diehard Clemson fans, so we do have Clemson season tickets in the fall, and then we also really like to travel.
And when you think about emerging trends in the industry, what's one you're looking forward to?
Well, right now we're seeing a lot of requirements around high performance buildings, whether that's ultra thermal, hurricane impacts, more sustainability. So we're incorporating those design trends into product designs to meet the needs of architects.
So what's one piece of advice you'd like to give someone who's starting in your role?
I think the most important thing is just to gather as much information from all the different teams across the company that you can. You never know where the next great idea is going to come from. So it's just about being willing to listen to anybody, gather those ideas, and then figure out how you can implement them to create the next best product for Kawneer.
Thanks, Chris.